Experience the enchantment of an Amalfi Sunset cruise as the sky transforms into a canvas of oranges and pinks. The gentle waves and soft evening breeze create an unforgettable ambience, perfect for romance or relaxation. Immerse yourself in the vibrant coastal festivals of the Amalfi Coast. These lively events showcase the region's rich traditions, music, and culinary delights, offering an authentic glimpse into the local culture and community spirit. Travel sustainably along the Amalfi Coast with eco-friendly tips. Opt for tours that prioritize environmental responsibility, reduce waste, and respect marine life, ensuring this breathtaking destination remains pristine for future generations to enjoy. Pack wisely for your coastal adventure. Essentials include sunscreen, a hat, comfortable shoes, and a light jacket for breezy evenings. Don't forget your camera and swimwear to fully embrace the sun-soaked charm of the Amalfi shores. Safety is paramount when exploring the Amalfi Coast by boat. Always wear a life jacket, familiarize yourself with emergency procedures, and respect the sea's conditions. Prioritize communication equipment to stay connected with coastal services during your journey. Explore the Amalfi Coast's hidden gems, where untouched beauty awaits. Discover secluded coves and serene beaches away from bustling tourist spots. These secret locations offer an intimate glimpse into the coast's captivating allure and tranquil atmosphere. The Amalfi Coast is steeped in legend and myth, enhancing its enchanting aura. From tales of sirens to ancient maritime folklore, these stories add a mystical dimension to the region's stunning landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Travelers share captivating stories of their boat adventures along the Amalfi Coast. From witnessing breathtaking sunsets to encountering playful dolphins, these personal experiences highlight the magic and unforgettable moments that await those who explore this coastal paradise. The allure of the Amalfi Coast awaits. Book your sea adventure today and embark on a journey through Italy's coastal gems. Experience the mesmerizing beauty and vibrant culture of this iconic destination from the unique perspective of the sea.